Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money to Gcash using the Paysend app. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below, and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to download and install the Paysend app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and once done, just simply open the app. Then you want to head over to the transfers page, this first page. This is where you can actually request and send money. And please keep in mind that if you can't find the send button in your Paysend app, it means that sending transfers is not yet available in your country. As you can see, it's not yet showing on my end, so it's not yet available. But here's how it looks like. So from here, just simply tap send. Then you want to send money to someone else. From here, just enter the recipient's country and then select the receiving currency. On the next page, choose how your recipient will receive the money. So this is where you'll choose the digital wallet, Wise. And after that, just enter your recipient's details, including their full name, email, and the payment information. And once everything looks correct, simply confirm the transfer, then Paysend will securely process your transaction, and depending on the recipient's bank or payment service, the money should arrive shortly. That's it. You've successfully transferred money to Wise using the Paysend app. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.